There are kids that we serve right now who sometimes what they need from us is not more homework. Sometimes they need some hard work. Sometimes the kids that we serve, even right now, even though they show up and sometimes they're doing stuff they have no business doing, even though sometimes we find them engaged in conversations or in things that we say, oh, wow, you're doing that. All they need sometimes is a little bit of love from you. But how can I love them if I don't love myself? So first of all, we got to have some self-love. And then secondly, we got to have love for those that we are working with. You cannot transfer what you don't possess. If I don't possess the capacity to work with people that look different than me, if I don't have the capacity to continue to work on connections with individuals who can help me help kids better, then it might be a little bit difficult for me to expect that from those that I serve.